Hi guys, today you join me as I wait for the attacking team to get in range of my DMR.
That looks great, dude.
Thank you.
You look awesome. Did not see you there. No one should be in that, Holly. I'm on the edge of it.
The right side's a lot quieter than I expected, which can only mean that they're trying to push behind us. The player managed to push close to my position and made the mistake of trying to turn to shoot him rather than let him pass.
Ah, mate, last one. Push a bit further than 20 paces. How are we looking, guys? You see or not? Yeah, moving. Right side, fence panel. Did I get here? I'm recall it. I don't know if I was here.
Due to the time of year, it's not always easy to tell if you've been hit by a BB or a falling acorn.
Yeah, I see.
Coming on the right flag. Four of them.
Right side, heading towards trench. Okay, loads pushing now.
The enemy team are managing to get around us, but I have to move. The fact that I'm on the boundary line means I don't have many options available. This player manages to get around me. I just have to hope that he doesn't know where I am.
Hit!
Turns out, he did. As always, thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe for more airsoft action.